One of the most exciting things about Celonis' execution management system is the transparency it provides a business. It's an X-ray machine that sheds light on problems the business didn't even realize it had. However, when doing so, you may reveal their performance isn't as sound as they thought. This can cause tension and force employees to reckon with a harsh, new, transparent reality. So frame it as an opportunity to set a new standard. I ran into this exact problem with a large agricultural practice. One of the regions was hitting the company's targets, while several others were lagging behind. Rather than setting abstract goals, I highlighted the successful region as a model citizen the others could follow. This created a clear course of action for directional improvement. Plus, creating internal competition is a tried and true way to motivate large organizations. Bottom line, when your X-ray machine finds a flaw, it's important to reassure your client that this is the first step to help them optimize their process. Use examples from within the organization to build short, medium, and long-term goals that make sense for both the business and its industry. Finally, build a view so they can track their performance in real time as they mend their broken processes.